What if the worst investment you can make isn't a stock or crypto? It's something you already have. The single worst investment isn't a scam. It's investing in what you don't understand. It's the fear of missing out. It's following the crowd. It's hoping for a lucky break. This is a mindset that costs you everything. When you invest without knowledge, you're just gambling. And that's a game you're almost guaranteed to lose. The best way to avoid this is with knowledge and discipline. But the first step to a new financial future is to help us build it. We're starting the Economic Realms Alliance right here on YouTube. The revenue we earn from every view and every subscriber will be the first step in funding a new financial system that will work for you. If you believe in building a new financial future based on lasting wealth, not lucky breaks, cast your vote for this new future. Subscribe to our channel and help us build the Economic Realms Alliance.